Hello guys, let me show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So for this we're gonna open settings first, where we need to scroll till we see this general management tab. Click it and now scroll till you see the reset option. Let's select it and now you can back up your data first by choosing one of these options, temporary cloud backup or external storage backup. And you can reset one of the functions, but we are gonna factory reset our phone, so I'm clicking right here. And now just scroll down till you see this blue reset button. Click it and now confirm that it will delete all of the data that we had. And now I need to verify my account in the Gmail. So I'm clicking this button and ID verified successfully. So let's go back again and now the phone is turned off. So we just need to simply wait till it will turn on again and go back to old settings. It can take some time, so don't worry, just wait and relax. Great, now the phone is on again and we need to just enter a PIN code from the SIM card. And now we need to set up the phone again. So that was all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.